In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a site using the Wix app on your phone. Whether you're cleaning up your list or getting rid of a project that's no longer needed, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. So let's dive in and get started. Begin by opening the Wix app on your phone. Now, it goes without saying that you'll want to make sure you're signed into the correct account where your site is located. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. This area is essentially your cockpit for managing all things related to your Wix sites. From here, you have quick access to various management tools that Wix offers to help you keep your web presence as effective and appealing as possible. Next, you'll want to navigate to your sites by tapping the Site List drop-down at the top of the screen. This drop-down menu is a gateway to all the sites you currently manage under this account. Take a moment to review your listed sites to ensure you identify the correct one for deletion. It's always wise to double-check, as you wouldn't want to accidentally remove the wrong site. Now, look for the site that you wish to delete. Adjacent to your site name, there's a More Actions icon, which appears as 3 small dots. This icon is the key that will unlock additional options for managing whichever site you have in your sites right now. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots. This will bring up a set of actions you can take regarding that particular site. Among the options, look for Move to Trash and select it. This option is like the recycle bin on your computer. Moving something to trash isn't an immediate permanent deletion, but rather a safe intermediate step that allows for some reconsideration. Kind of like a cooling off period, just in case you change your mind. After selecting Move to Trash, the app will prompt you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is your final check to make sure you're absolutely certain that you wish to proceed. If everything is in order, go ahead and tap Move to Trash again. Once done, your site will be moved to the trash, and it will no longer appear in your active site list. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted a site from your Wix account using the mobile app. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.